What is going on? Getting ready to install new floors in the garage right here. So you can see just kind of getting prepped, getting the declutterization done. Gonna actually be setting the ground for tier level motorsport. But anyway, no, super pumped about the new Swisstrax flooring, going with a checkered gray and black. You can see right here, all delivered and ready to go. Just continuing to get the floors prepped here for the Swisstrax. You can see right now, actually mopping a little bleach and water just to kind of get the floors cleaned after brushing it out. For like 1 whole week, you shifted gears, blew like leaves into the air. All right, got everything prepped and clean, getting ready to do the first row of install with the jet black and gray tiles from Swisstrax. Super pumped about this. Definitely like the way these two colors blend. I'm gonna checker it throughout the entire garage. Sphere, yeah! Can we get back up again? So the Swisstrax flooring is so easy. It just kind of snaps in very easily, as you can see on the floor. Just kind of line up with the wall and keep going row by row. So it's going really well so far. Loving it. Can't wait to get it done. The cool thing is about when you come into the garage, they provide these awesome ramps right here that just snap right onto the front. So we're doing those along the front right here. So it'll just be an easy, smooth transition onto the floor. As you can see, we just got the ramp fully installed. Ready for row 2, 3, and 4. I'm so pumped about these floors. They are incredible. It's a little over halfway done with the first part of the garage. And it is nicely coming together. So easy to install. Love the black and gray contrast. Just so cool. Can't wait to get the new Vette in here. Just finished the main area. Gonna have to move some shelvings a little bit and then also go in and do some cuts here for the final part, which I'll do later this week. But for the most part, the space for the cars is completely done. Absolutely love the new C8. It's on the new Swisstrax floor. Floor absolutely makes the car pop some more. So there you have it. New Swisstrax, black gray install. Very quick, very easy. Makes the car look good. Super highly recommend this product. Super cool and should be in every garage. It's amazing. So thanks for tuning in. Talk to you guys soon.